good, traders? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. And today I have a brand new EA Forex bot, Forex account flipper for you guys, and it's called Code Blue. Okay, guys, so Code Blue, I call it Code Blue because it's literally Code Blue. Blue screens everywhere on your MT4, guys. It's about to get real crazy. This bot is honestly stacked with features, so that's why I know that you guys are gonna love this bot once you get your hands on it. It's got equity protection for my prop firm users, daily profit, so once your profit is hit, the EA will stop closing for the day. It also has weekly filter and many more features, guys. I'm giving you guys plenty of set files as well when you guys get the EA, but let's get into the strategy and why this EA is gonna be the most profitable bot online, guys. Without further ado, let's rob the bank. All right, guys, so let me show you guys how Code Blue EA works. Code Blue EA is a trend trading grid system EA, guys, that follows the trend based on price action in the trend, guys. So for the best results using the Code Blue EA, we want to mark up our charts, and our only job is to literally find the trend and figure out the trend. If you're new to Forex, don't worry. These are things I'm going to teach you guys inside my Discord. If you purchase an EA, these are the things that you need to know. When we go back to the daily, we can see that GU has been going up since September of 2022, but it's been on a strong uptrend since March 9th, 2023. Okay, guys, so literally using the Code Blue EA, we could have been making money just buying using the Code Blue EA. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how that is possible. So we can go ahead and we could start from the beginning of this whole uptrend, which is March 9th all the way till July 13th, which was the peak of this uptrend. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to take advantage and swing trade using this EA, and it is crazy. So let me show you guys. As you guys can see, we have our lot sizes, we have our lot multiplier as well, which I'm going to put on 0. We have our candlestick counters. This is for the price action for when it enters trades, stop loss, obviously regular things, right? But we also have our equity protection, and you guys can customize the loss type for amount or percentage. Okay, guys, so whatever you want to do, or you can have no equity protection, but I know you guys love that for the prop firms. Okay, guys, but for this simulation, I'm going to put none. We have our time management. We can put allow all day, or we can have disable this day for Monday if you don't want to buy trading Mondays, or by parameter. I have the by parameter, so Monday start time is literally 00. So it's just going to start trading, and then I don't want it trading the New York open, so I have it 12 p.m. on the server time. I can have it set to 12 and then the bot to start again, start time 2, and have the bot start again at 15, okay, and then end at 23. Okay, so you have 2 start times for every single day of the week, so you can fully customize when you want the bots on and when you want the bots off. Okay, guys, we have news that's already incorporated. The news filter is already incorporated in the bot, right, for these pairs right here. High impact news, medium impact news, low impact news. We have our red, orange, and yellow folders, of course, and we have our dashboard. Okay, guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys how this thing is going to trade on GU, and we're going to do it from March 9th all the way up into July 14th. That's literally last month, and just simulate this. And what we're going to do is we're going to put longs only because we know that the trend is going up for the long term. And we're just gonna watch as this thing only takes buys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a $100 account just so you guys can see what is possible with a $100 account. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, it is taking buys only. Okay, these are buys only, and profit is going up. Our balance is at $118 already, guys. So we could just watch. So you guys can see it is a grid system, and as price goes down in the other direction, it does add new entries, but it only adds entries based on certain price action as price is going down, guys. So it's not just going to enter random trades even when price is going down. And as you guys can see, GU is doing this thing, but ultimately we know even when price is going down and the grid system is doing its thing, we know that the ultimate trend is bullish, right? You can come here to the 4-hour and you can see, okay, we're by support, right? The trend is bullish still, So maybe we want to just put it for buys only, especially since we're at support. Okay, guys. So that's where that logic is coming from. You guys can see this $100 account is already at 170 something dollars in a short amount of time. It's only been 1 day, so it already made $70 in 1 day. Right now, we're in some drawdown on a 0.1 lot size, about 20 something% drawdown, but we're only using a $100 account. So you can expect that with a $100 account. But let's just go ahead and see what happens. And boom, it closes just how it always does, because at the end of the day, no matter what's going on in the lower time frames, we understand that the higher time frame trend is bullish. Okay, guys, so we've already flipped our account from $100 to $200 in 4 days, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go back to the chart so you guys understand how to work this EA. Obviously, if you can figure out the higher time frame trend on the daily in the 4-hour chart, you're going to be able to make money from this bot every single day. All you have to do is figure it out. Once you figure out the trend is buying, then you're good. Even if we wanted to do sales here, if you figured out, okay, we're at a resistance area right here, price keeps rejecting, you just want to put only sales, and it's going to take the right sales at the right time. And you're going to be making money throughout this whole trend down, the whole thing. If you realize, okay, we're at support now, maybe I want to turn it only buys, then you're going to make money until literally the whole trend is changed. And you guys can intraday trade with this as well, using it on the 1 hour. So for example, I've already marked up my charts. You can see that, okay, guys, I have my weekly low here, right? On the 1 hour time frame, price hit the weekly low. If price hit the weekly low and you feel like it's going to reject how it's done in the past and go up, then you could put buys only, and it's going to make money throughout this whole time intraday trading. How I like to use the bot is on higher time frames though. You can use it on 1 hour, based on the 1 hours, but I always like to base it on the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly. Okay, guys, because I'm just catching the whole trend. Okay, so understand the way we back tested is from opportunities like this, where the market is gonna literally trend for days and weeks. Okay, so let's go back to our MT4, and you can see we're already up $286. We're up $186 for the week profit. We just keep winning. Why do we keep winning? Because we're trading towards the main trend on the 4 hour and the weekly. Okay, guys, so you guys can see it is only winning. It is code blue, only winning. Okay, guys, and this is a bot that you can honestly build any size of account with. There aren't many bots in the world right now where you can literally start with $100 and turn it into 1,000. So while this is simulating, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the charts and talk about more. So the coding is amazing on the EA, but what's gonna make you very profitable and damn near impossible to lose is by you understanding what is the trend and some price action, guys. Obviously, once we get some price action at a monthly high, when we can start putting only sales. And obviously, this is what we get here. And if you were to put only sales, literally from July 13th till now, I'm gonna back test it. After this, I'm gonna show you guys only sales you would have not lost from July 13th till now. And now we're coming near the monthly low again. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put code blue EA on sales until it gets to the monthly low again, or the weekly low. And then maybe I'll look for some rejection here and put only buys so we can go towards our monthly high again. Or if it decides to break this, I'm just gonna keep it on only sales. Okay, guys, I hope that makes sense for you guys. So the price was to come down here and reject, I'm gonna put only buy, because most likely it's gonna make its way back up, right? No matter how it does it, that's our logic, and you're gonna make money. Since this is the 4 hour time frame, you'll probably be making money on buys for weeks. Okay, guys, for weeks you can just have the bot on buys only until you get to another location in the charts. If price decides to break right here, then we're going to decide to keep the bot on sales only, as the market is still bearish and we're still eating off the same trend. So let me go back to our MT4, and you can see our balance is at $307 already. We are having some drawdown right now, because if you're going to swing trade using this bot, there are going to be some swings where price goes down. Right now, it is March 15th in the simulation, and we could go to March 15th in the simulation, and we could see exactly what's going on. Okay, so this is March 15th right here. These big two red candlesticks, where we got some drawdown on our uptrend. This was resistance turned into support, price rejected it, and sometimes you do have to, go through some drawdown, but as long as we know the direction of the market, you're going to be okay. So we did witness some drawdown here, and then we're going to have some great profits once this comes out of that. And you're going to see literally this drawdown and price coming out of this big drawdown right here, that big pullback. And you guys can see the uptrend going crazy, and these buy entries, we're in profit, and our balance is over 300 still. Okay, so you guys can see we're up, boom, close, and it takes another buy. And as the trend keeps going up, it's going to continue to take buys, and boom, it's going to close again. It's going to follow the trend, continue to follow the trend. Okay, guys, a little bit pullbacks. It's cool. We know that the trend is going up. As long as it continues to make higher highs, we're straight. You guys can see we're at $346 balance. We're only, it looks like a lot of entries, but we're only 2-3% drawdown here. We're using a 0.1 on a $100 account. And by the way, so I know this simulation seems long. We turned $100 to $370 already, but this simulation has only been going for 9 days. So in 9 days, we've already turned $100 to $376 in 9 days using this EA, guys. And you guys can see the uptrend keeps going up, and we just keep being profitable. As long as the higher time frame is being respected, it doesn't matter what's going on in the lower time frames, because again, this drawdown period in the lower time frames, it's going to look like a big sell. On the 1 hour, all the intraday traders, y'all going to lose buying, right? You're going to put your big lot size on because you feel like this uptrend is strong, and then this swing is going to happen and you're going to have your account blown. We don't really care about this little swing here because we understand the overall. We don't care about these swings. You can trade these little swings here using the code Blue EA. You would just have to put sells only at specific times. Okay, guys, but you can either do that or just hold the swings because we know that it's going to go back up regardless. Okay, guys, until of course we reach our monthly highs and stuff like that. Monthly high right here, boom. Price started to sell heavy. Like I said, you could try to catch these sells, and if we catch a sell here, I'm gonna show you guys it's only profit. Price always ends up going back up. Weekly profit on $100, and now it keeps trading the trend. I'm gonna go ahead and simulate the rest of this so you guys can see literally what's gonna happen. Okay, so you guys can see we're over halfway through the simulation, and the graph is only going up because it's literally been an uptrend from March 9th till July 14th. This account started on March 9th with $100, 0.1 lot sizes, and as I scroll down, the first month, it took $100 to $673. $673, that's crazy. Over $573 in profit the first month. Second month, takes that $573 to $1,159. As long as you pick the right trend, you're going to win. So it's still simulating, guys, for the third month. So I'm just going to show you all the results as soon as everything is finished simulating. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm up $63 on the same account that was just at about $588 in equity. You guys can see this is a live account. You guys can see the buy is on, code Blue EA. We went through about 6.48% drawdown, but now we are in profit, $37. Okay, that's on GU. I also have the buy on USDJPY, so you can see right here we're in profit, $24 on UJ. We went through about 4% drawdown there with the profit, and you guys can see UJ going up. The code Blue knows what to do, and that's why we're in profits. I'm going to continue to hold, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, guys, so you guys can see the simulation is now over, and the graph just went straight up with the bot trading 24/7 since March 9th to July 14th, guys. Now you guys can see the report. Okay, guys, from $100 to $2,136. Okay, guys. Obviously, the drawdown has gotten big since we know we only used a $100 account. On the $1,000 account, it would have been smaller drawdown. But I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I mean. Literally, the reason why we was able to do this is because we put buys only since March, as you guys can see. So now we can go ahead and simulate the rest as if you're trying to catch this trend right here all the way down to where we are now. So that is July 14th to now. And let's go ahead and simulate it. July 14th to today. And all we're gonna do is change this to short. And I'll put more money in just so you guys can see this time. Let's say you start with $1,000 account and you wanna use, I don't know, a bigger lot size, 0.3. You guys can see it's taking sells only now and we are in profit. Closed out, price is taking sales again because we know the trend and it's gonna continue to close out sales. If you don't know the trend, all you have to do is know opportunity. So if you were to take a sell as a manual trader, then all you have to do is put on sales only. And you can see the market goes down and it is closed. So let's simulate the rest of this so we can see what goes on. And profits are being closed every single day. You're making a lot of money on a $1,000 account.
Okay, guys, so you guys can see I closed out the trades. UJ1's closed itself, but I was pretty satisfied with the profit, so I closed out the GU trades. And as you guys can see, about $98 in profit for the day, guys. So, you know, we've already taken the $500 to $676 in only 2 days. You guys can see it, man. Gold blue. And right here, you can see where the trades were closed, just how it closes in my simulations that I show you guys in all my videos. You guys always say, well, does it work? Does it work? Yes, it works. Just because it's a simulation doesn't mean it's not how it would play out in the real thing. This is exactly how it will play out in the real thing, and I'm happy with the results. Gold blue EA.
Okay, so now you guys can see the simulation is over and the graph went only straight up, just like last time when we were doing buys. This time it's only sales. So boom, $1,000 deposit, net profit $1,919. You did that in 1 month. In 1 month, you made almost $2,000 just using this EA on sales only. And as you guys can see, it did not lose. It did not disappoint, guys. Just following the trend. So I want to show you guys one more example, and we're going to use a bigger lot size for this one before we go. And this does work on indices and stuff like that, but I'll show you guys that on another video. We can go to USD JPY and we can do the same thing. Go to USD JPY, look at the charts, and we could just pick a time of when we wanted to trade. Let's just say that we've seen this opportunity here to take buys at support, right? On this uptrend that's been going up. We could simulate from June 14th all the way to July 23rd. And if you guys are wondering what this indicator that I'm using here, right here to identify the trend, it's called super trend. So you guys can put that on your trading view to help you guys with using the buy as well. But I can simulate from June 14th to July 3rd, right? So this is an opportunity where you could just put buys only. And of course, again, I'm going to be sending the signals using the bot on my Discord. You can use a bigger amount of money this time. And I don't know, let's do 0.10. Now, why I love this bot is because if you know the trend, you know where the market's going, you don't have to be scared to use a big lot size because you know that you're going to win the trades. So let's go ahead, 0.10. Let's simulate a bit. Okay, so you guys can see we're in some drawdown, or you can see the percentage right here, even though we're in multiple entries. The drawdown is 4 or 5% right now. There is some drawdown when you go back to the markets. This drawdown is what we're going through, and that's okay because we picked right, and the trend is going to go up. We go back, boom, it closed out in profits. We're already weekly profit, $364. Price is going to continue to go up and make another high. What I learned is the market will do a whole bunch of things to manipulate you, but as long as you figure out the setup on the higher time frames, that is what matters, guys. And again, boom, it's following the trend, boom. Sometimes you won't get all those entries. Sometimes it just shoots up and you just have a sniper trade like here. price just keeps going up. It looks like we hit TP, and yes, we hit TP, and we're already $579 in profit, guys. Again, when the trend is strong like this, that's when this bot is deadly, because you can go ahead and take advantage of every strong trend as it continues to make higher highs. Takes another entry there. Price just shoots up like a maniac. The USD JPY closes out in profits right here. So now our weekly profit is $1,551 as this bot continues to trade the trend. It's gonna retest that resistance, right? Play around with us a little bit, and eventually it's gonna shoot back up because that's the trend on the higher time frames, guys. So don't be fooled by all the lower time frame movement, which is on the 5 minute here. Even though we have the bot in the 5 minute, we're trading it based on the higher time frames always. So you guys can see market pushes up and it's another close, $1,157 profit. It's been 3 days and we've already made $1,200. So I'm gonna go ahead and simulate the rest so you guys can see the ending results. Okay guys, so the simulation is over and you guys can see on USD JPY, same result, graph going up, the report, 31% here, using a 0.10 lot size on a grid system with $3,000. I have set files that only, do 2% drawdown, 1% drawdown. And I think I'm going to show you guys that as well. This is a bot where you don't have to lose like that. The profit, a $3,000 account to $6,761 in just a couple weeks. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you guys one set file that we have available in our Discord. Here it is, code blue, and I'll do 50K prop firm. So what we do is we'll test the 50K, right? And we'll do that lot size. GU has been selling, so we'll do sales only, and we'll see the results. So you guys can see when you sell from July 14th to now, it's only winning, and we have equity protection on it. Right here, it took an equity hit, so it lost. I think the equity protection, I have this setting for 2.5% or something like that for prop firms. We'll see at the ending of the simulation, but you guys can see the prop firm is definitely going to be passed. Okay guys, so I'll show you guys testing on a 100K account on US 30 set file. Show you this bot can be used on indices as well. When we go to US 30 and we see what US 30 has been doing, it has been buying up. So we're just going to put buys only on US 30. You guys can see the profits is raining down on US 30, guys. Your prop firm is definitely going to be passed with this EA, guys. You have the best chance passing your prop firm yourself using this EA or the Neo EA, but this EA I think is going to be more consistent for my people that actually have knowledge with the markets. This bot is going to be printing money. And as you guys can see, it just keeps winning and winning. And I think on a 100K prop firm, most prop firms, they want to see you make 10%. So let's just see. And the bot is about to get to 10K profit, and it does, guys. Also, it does have equity protection on it, but obviously we know the trend, so the profits are just going to keep coming in, guys. US 30 is going up in a long time frame analysis. Doesn't matter what's going on these little bearish candlesticks on the 4-hour. These are just lower time frame retracements. We know on a higher time frame, it's an uptrend. So put it on only buys, and this is the result, guys. Right here, it hits equity protection, which is at 2.5%, but we've already had passed our account. But I wanted to show you guys as well. Equity protection does work. So you do have that available for you, and the money is just being made back, guys. You guys can see this is when equity protection was hit, and it just keeps going back up, and the simulation is over. And as you guys can see, it made $11,926, right? And it only had 3.58% drawdown, guys. So your drawdown is just going to depend on the lot size, the account you're starting with, and knowing the trend, guys. And that's pretty much it for the Neo EA, guys. So like I said, this is going to be the craziest EA to come out this year. And just look at these statistics, guys. It's going to be a crazy rest of trading year, guys. That's it for this video, man. Tap in. So as you guys can see, this bot is just different. It's insane, guys, and I'm so excited for myself. I'm excited for all you guys, my prop firm users, my live account flippers out there. All traders out there is going to be so profitable using this bot, not just because the coding is amazing and the strategy is amazing, but teaching you guys exactly how to use the EA, how to take full advantage and get the best results using the charts, using the knowledge for manual trading and adding it to the EA game, guys. Using this EA, you guys are going to be unstoppable, especially with the education that we have at ROE. Guys, when you join this community, when you purchase a bot, it's not just about getting an EA file, it's about mastering using these bots. And we're doing it like no other online, guys. If you want to keep up with the results, right now I'm giving a special deal for the launch of Code Blue for my ROE members. If you already purchased the bot with ROE, I'm giving you guys $1,000 off using this coupon code right here. When you use this coupon code, you guys are gonna get $1,000 off only if you are an existing customer. If you already purchased an EA, then you will get $1,000 off the Code Blue EA. Guys, new customers, if you're watching this and you haven't bought a bot yet, but maybe you want the promo, I suggest that you buy a bot first and then go back and earn your coupon code so that you guys can go back and purchase the Code Blue EA, or you can just buy the Code Blue EA and not get any money off. Doesn't matter to me, guys. What matters to me is that you get access to this Code Blue EA because it's about to get real serious on these charts, guys. If you got some value from this video, make sure that you leave a like, you comment and subscribe, and share this video to all the other fellow traders that you guys know in your community, and let them know that the automation game is taking over the internet. We're building the biggest community of EA traders at ROE, and I want you guys to come over here and join the community so we can all win and make profits and get that bag, you feel me? Escape the matrix. Like I say in every video, guys, if you're skeptical, please click the link in the description and join the Rich Off EA channel, where you can keep up with all the results throughout the week with myself and my customers who purchase these EAs. If you guys are ready to get started, click the other link in the description at richoffpips.net and get started, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Again, guys, if you got some value, you feel like you get a bag after watching this video, just like and subscribe. I'm coming crazy with all types of results using these EAs, and I'm going to come out with more bots in the future, guys. So sub, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.